What's up, guys? This is AB Investments. Well, good afternoon, first of all. You all must be feeling really good. Look at our prices. I want to reestablish my standing again on my personal theory that why am I the only one that thinks that all meme stocks are gonna squeeze at the same time. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and more people might be able to see this. Now, most importantly, special thanks to all the people that are following right now, and the people that are what I'll call the OGs in this channel for now. We might be small now, but I promise that soon we're going to be a very big family, and we'll see what the future holds. This is a lot of good things that are coming, and I'm going to take them one video at a time, and we should all take it just one step at a time. So anyways, why do I think that all meme stocks are going to squeeze at the same time? Again, and I have kind of a personal proof of why I think also that. First, theoretically, I explained in my older videos from a few days ago that you're gonna have we need to put ourselves in their shoes, whether the institutions or the government. If they are trying to finish this whole thing and all that, then why would they leave any loose ends? Kind of more like, even a worse, like kind of starting or finishing a nightmare only to begin a bigger one. Because, we all know if AMC and GameStop, for example, squeezes, whether one at a time or both at the same time, at least that's what most YouTubers are putting out there, that narrative, then, a lot of people are going to make a lot of money, and us. And then what do you think we're going to do? We're going to take it and go straight to the sundials, the BBIGs, which I already hold positions in, and Workhorse and Cause and, Virgin Galactic and SDC, all those guys, Atarian, ATER. So like all these, and if I don't mention anything, none of the others, that doesn't mean that, like, they're not squeezing as well. It's just like, there's so many of them. So why would they take themselves out of a nightmare only to start a new one, a bigger one? So therefore, that's my theoretical explanation on that. Now, as far as logical, or what we see, what I can give you is, look at the the movements. Like, for example, today, all meme stocks, when they go down, they all go down together, and when they go up together. If they are not, if the idea is to get AMC or GameStop out at the same time, and that's it, and then the rest they can keep putting down or whatever, then they should be on different chart movements. Just realistically and logically, they should be moving differently. But they're not. They're moving the same. Right now, AMC is up 4%, for example, at the time of shooting this video. And Sundial is up 6%. And BBIG is up 2 or 3%. So is GameStop. So therefore, like when you see, and the other ones, so like when you see them, when they're dipping, they're all dipping together. And when they're going up, they're all going together. Again, they thrive in that environment of, if everything is moving like very volatilely, then they thrive in those conditions, because they get to save themselves a lot of money. Let's face it, when people are all occupied here and there and too much commotion going on, no one is going to see any wrongdoing or whatever. Of course, they're going to plan to screw and fuck over a lot of us. But the best way for them to do it is to not have all eyes on one thing. They're going to have to distribute all the attention across the whole market. And then they could say, all the whole market was volatile in that such and such time. And when that time comes, and everything will go up. So that's why I've personally have taken positions in more than one company, not just all in AMC or, GameStop. Because you don't, until now, we don't know, You know, we know everything. We know that those companies are going to squeeze. Hopefully you know that by now. But what we don't know is to what extent, which plays are they going to screw over the most. So here's the scary part. The bigger the community in one thing, the lesser is if its effect is it's going to be, because that's what they're going to focus most of their ammunition on, you know, as far as them, because that's what could kill them or vanquish them. So believe it or not, I feel a lot more safe in the BBIG play than in the Sundial and the AMC or even GameStop play. In fact, GameStop, BBIG, a little bit more. And I'm not saying this is like better than AMC. No, AMC is my biggest position. But it's the reason why I've taken positions in other ones, because I'm an investor. I'm not, let's help the movement move and whatever. And I'm trying to give these things out to you as well, because when this thing is over, we're going to have to find different and new plays, and life has to move on, you know. So we all know this, guys. No one is going to stick around for life forever. So we have to move on. So I set myself up for that, because in my opinion, I think that they're all going to squeeze at the same time. And I want to be able to capitalize on more than one end in case they screw over one end. That way I got my back covered, and, you know, hope for the best. So much love, guys. I'm going to come back to you possibly with a couple more videos throughout the day. And we'll see. There's some interesting things going on the option chain. So I'll be sharing that with you guys. I'm just trying to see once they finish their repo and reverse repo operations, and I will be reporting back to you, okay?